Illegal immigrants, or undocumented immigrants, refer to aliens who enter or remain in a country unlawfully. The category of illegal immigrant contrasts with legal or documented immigrants who enter a country through the proper channels. Under United States immigration law, a person can become an illegal immigrant by entering the country without an immigration inspection, entering the country fraudulently, or entering the country with a valid visa, but remaining after the expiration of the visa. Illegal immigrants are unable to obtain work authorization, and there are very few pathways to legal status or citizenship.